just to the west of Colorado. Tornado watch in effect. Storm is already severe. Tornado watch until 9 p.m. Wow, big lowering. Big lowering. Oh man, yeah, what's that thing? Hurry, hurry, pull off side of the road. Tornado! We got a tornado already! Tornado! Look at it wrapping around. Nice tornado.
Getting into it. Just starting to.
Still there. A little skinny funnel there. Ooh, tornado number 2 forming. Let's see what it can do. These almost look like landspouts.
I know.
Yeah. Although it usually happens. Isn't it? Watch it, watch it! It's there, look, she's going. Oh wow, look at that.
Look at that. Awesome! Oh yeah. Here we go. Now we're talking. Yeah.
Wow, it's a beauty.
These do look like landspout tornadoes. I'm not 100% sure, but it sure looks like it. Oh, look at that. We're not that far away from it, really.
Wow.
You know what? Let's just get up here and stop.
Let's go.
And let everybody get out and take pics while it's alive.
Okay.
Yeah, just stop right here. Okay, we're going to stop and take pics here. Please don't walk in front of the van, okay? Because I'm streaming live and doing everything. Nothing out here. I just find a place out by a field or something and You know, GoPro could do it that way.
I can go do it right now.
Oh, whatever you need to do. Yeah, got that farmer right up there. That's what I would do. Just find some place by a field where you can get a little privacy and go for
I
it.
hate doing it, but I was hoping to pass.
There's nothing cold.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Roger.
Goes on down the road.
Thing like just above the
See if
dust
it'll pass
swirl.
and maybe I'll do the next stop.
It's like it's rotating there.
Huh? That's a bigger tornado. That is a, oh yeah, look at it up above, rotating.
Oh,
We have
man.
a much larger, that is not a land spout.
Yes!
That one is not a land spout.
Look at the clouds above it.
Sorry. Look at that.
Tornado number 3.
There's one over there too.
There's 2 of them.
Oh, look at them, side by side, 2 of them looking down. Unbelievable. Look at that. Holy smoke.
Oh, yeah! Oh, man!
Hey, can we say Wyoming who?
Yeah! Whoa! I'm gonna cry.
Oh my God, look at that! Unbelievable!
That's a good one, man.
Oh wow!
Look at that thing.
Unbelievable! Colorado, I love you. That's why I live here.
Go a little bit further back. There you go, right there.
Oh, look at that! Oh, that one's getting big.
There we go. That's
That one's
perfect.
getting really big.
There you go. See the colored funnel coming out the cloud there on that left one? Oh wow, that one just turned.
Oh, look at the dirt cloud on that western one, the right one.
Oh, yeah, look at the dirt. What the heck?
Wow! Holy crap! Holy crap!
Look at that one.
Oh my God! Wow!
Who needs Wyoming?
Yeah, we don't need Wyoming.
No, we don't.
We got a better show here.
Yeah.
Guys, step it back. Bill. I'm gonna get you all in, Bill. You gotta change your hat. Yeah. And then stay there.
Wow!
Number 4 so far.
Gorgeous, man, gorgeous. Wow! Look at that. Oh, look at it. Look at the funnel coming down there.
That thing on the right. Holy crap.
Wow.
What do you think this is? Is this Washington County?
Oh my gosh.
Look at that, it's coming down.
That funnel's coming down.
It is.
Pictures are free, right?
Why don't you get it on? I'll get you in a minute. Okay.
Holy smoke!
Look at that. Look at that.
That is not a land spout.
Look at that.
on the storm.
Which Rusty's complaining about the ball, my brother. Why are these 240? Shut up. Oh, look at it now, it's coming up.
Now it's coming up from the bottom.
I'm going to tell them we have it at 1080p.
Yeah. Wow.
Should have came.
Wow, that is really turning.
Wow, look at the size of that.
Look at it turn. Look at it turn.
Unbelievable.
Wow.
That one's just,
Oh, look,
it's
third
still
column.
coming down. One, four, back up. Still falling. Anderson's the trip is a success. Are they coming this way? I don't know. So it's starting to rope out, it looks like so. Roping. Looks like it's stopping. It's picking up some a lot of debris, a lot of. What's going on over there? It's going sideways? Is that getting that big?
There we go.
Is it getting that big? What's going on with that?
I don't know.
Across the road.
Look at that thing.
Oh, there you go, man. Jinx. The Jinx? What the heck were you with us then? Wait a minute.
Hey, you guys want to get really close?
Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Wow.
This is amazing, Roger.
I don't think this left one's dead yet.
No, I don't think it is either.
Holy smokes. Let's go get up close and, oh, now it's lifting off the ground. That left one's not though.
Oh, the right one's not. I can still see it on the bottom churning.
Is it? Okay.
Yep.
See what kind of road options we have. Oh, I'm showing it dead ends. You know, let's take a left. We'll go 1 mile down and then we can go west as far as we want to go. Holy smokes, look at this. Oh, that right one is a beast again. Wow, look at that. 2 of them next to each other. Oh yeah, it's still turning like crazy over there.
That's hard.
Yes! Yes!
Neither one of these are landspouts,
Wow,
right?
no, these are not landspouts. The first couple were, but these are not. Okay, we're coming up here in a half a mile. We'll just haul, get up really close to it.
You got your sorrel about 10 o'clock.
Oh yeah, another one.
Oh,
up
another
there.
one.
Holy crap.
Is that a tornado as well?
Coming up, yes. That is a landspout there.
Wow, what are we at? Like 5 now?
5, yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Now they're both dissipating. Okay, that's our turn right here. Let's go get it.
One on the left, too.
On the left there?
Tornado number 5.
Oh, this is going to come across a road about 2 miles in front of us here.
Another one to your left.
Yeah, we see it. We see it. That's number 5.
Number 5.
Oh, look at this thing. Oh my God, is it going to collide with the other one?
They may. Oh, that'd be neat to see them wrap around each other. Do a tornado dance for us.
Somebody recording this from the back in video? No.
Oh my goodness, look at this. Hey, we're getting pretty close to it now. This is great. Yeah, keep on going a little further.
Okay.
You don't want to get right under it, but yeah, it's still rotating.
Wow. Right on the other side of the poles, Roger?
Yeah, right past the poles. Actually, it comes to an end there, it looks
Okay.
like. All right, the one on the right's dead. The one on the left is dying. All right, enjoy. Holy smokes, we hit the jackpot. Wow.
Don't take less.
We're good.
Hey, you gotta do it, you gotta do it.
No, I know. I'm gonna I'm gonna shit my pants. So it's one or the other.
Yeah.
Hey, Brian, can you turn the van more to the left? I mean, really hard.
Heads up, guys. Oh, there's
Really
a car.
hard, 'cause
There's
we're
a car
getting-
coming.
Where's the car coming? Oh, right up here. Okay.
Oh my God.
Oh, look at that thing. Oh,
Holy
oh my God, look at it. Both of them are turning away.
Car's coming, guys. All coming.
Watch out, guys.
Coming.
Oh, come on, people, hurry up. Oh, get this screaming. That guy coming, or is he stationary down there? Go ahead and turn it hard. Look at that thing. Excellent, great, thank you. Just amazing. Absolutely amazing. I didn't think we could point this today. Just not done yet. That thing's actually getting stronger.
It's all sort of feeding into it here, these clouds.
Yeah, I think. Yeah. This is right in this boundary. This is this tornado, this storm that just keeps on giving. Wow! Unbelievable.
That thing is churning.
Yeah, it is.
There's a bowl above it. This is a supercell tornado. There's a big bowl funnel over the top of it. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead, Dale. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's another land spout. Oh. All right,
Guys, watch your back.
Straight up, all the way. Yeah. Look out. We're gonna have to go back east here in a second.
No, that's the same one as before, I think.
Shit. Let's go east. Let's go. Let's go. Go. Flip it around and book.
Does the right one count as number 6?
What? No, I think that's the same one as before.
Oh, just
It is, yeah. We're gonna go
Come
about.
on, get in.
Hurry, let's go. Come on, guys. We got a book. We want to keep with this tornado. We can't let it get away from us.
Might still be on the ground.
It is still on the ground.
Thank you for having me again this year, Roger. This is unbelievable.
It's all because of me,
Listen,
I said that we're not going to see anything.
you know how I knew this was going to be a good year? I landed at Denver Airport, and normally I wait a half hour to 45 minutes for my luggage. As soon as I got to the carousel, my luggage came out. Then when I walked out to the taxi stand to take the shuttle to the hotel, it had just shown up. Literally, two perfect things happened. I said, we're going to catch some good tornadoes.
Right out here in the field,
Yep.
maybe another one.
Oh, man.
Yeah, we got to get past that. Let's go. We got to go.
Okay. Holy Christmas.
Is that just, what do you call them, like, dust devil?
That could be another landspout.
That is, actually. I believe it is.
Roger, look at 3 o'clock.
There's a funnel right there. Yeah, there's a funnel up above it coming down. Where's it at? Where's it at? Right next to the road. Right there. You gotta, oh man, people, you gotta go.
All right, I got it.
People are being crazy here. Oh, it's already, no, it's still right there. Just right off. Oh, look at the rotation right there. There it is forming right above us. Right there.
Where's the ground rotation?
Let's get right up here and stop. And we got to go a little further. It's a cinnamon swirl. Look out and above. You can see it right there. Out at 3 o'clock up above our heads. You can see it forming. There's a debris cloud on the ground.
Stop?
Yes, yes. Yeah. That looks suspicious. That looks really suspicious.